I'm gonna smoke chicken with coconut husk. Hello, this is how to barbecue smoke a chicken. Charcoal is also needed so that there is constant fire at all times. Be ready to move the chicken away if there are flames. Flames will burn the chicken and also leave soot. Cook for about 1 to 1.5 hours. If not cooked enough, be ready to put it in the microwave. After cooking the bottom for half an hour, flip over and paint with barbecue sauce. Apply the sauce every 20 to 30 minutes. Fun facts. Special tools need to be used to remove coconut husk from the coconut. Then they be done.